Welcome to Random Reviews and Action. Hi everyone, this is Random Review number 4. We're going to be unboxing my order of French meal. I'm going to tell you what I think about them. And we have the nice size pot. What's that?
Chicken and dumplings.
Oh, nice. I haven't tried that. I changed my order and I can't wait to eat it. This one, I particularly like the pasta because they use cauliflower and not a bunch of carbs.
These are the same.
Oh, I don't know why. I thought they changed it. And that one is chicken, which is, traditional. Every meal has it. And we get a nice cooling container that you can keep if you want, or you can throw away. It's like environmentally safe stuff. Okay, that's it.